everyone! Welcome back to Tech with Chick, and I am Chikku. In the previous video, we have a doubt which is why Java got popular before Python, and our friend Robbie is going to clear our doubt. Hello, Robbie.
Hello, guys. Yeah, I'm Robbie. In the previous video, I have explained about history of Python, brief explanation of its versions and the features of Python.
I have given the video link in the description. Please go and check it once.
And we are going to know why Java got popular before Python, even though Python was created first. So, let's set the scene. Java was released in 1995 by Sun Microsystems, and Python was released a few years earlier, in 1991, by Guido van Rossum. But why Java took off faster? Let's discuss some important reasons for this. Platform independent. Java had this amazing feature called Write Once, Run Anywhere. Thanks to the Java Virtual Machine or JVM, you could run Java applications on any device without changing the code. This was huge back then. Imagine writing code on a Windows and running it on Mac or a Linux server without any modifications. This platform independent was a game changer. Web development and applets. And remember the early days of the internet. Java applets allowed small programs to run in the web browser, making the web more interactive. While applets aren't around much today, they were a big deal at the time, showcasing Java's versatility and interactive capabilities. By the way, an applet is a Java program that can be embedded into a web page. It runs inside the web browser and works at client side. It makes a page more interactive and dynamic by operating inside the web browser. Strong typing and object-oriented features. Developers also found Java easier to work with compared to C++. Java had strong typing and was fully object-oriented, which made coding safe and reduced common programming errors related to memory management. Unlike C++, Java handling memory allocation and garbage collection automatically.
Guys, sorry for the interruption. If you find this video useful, please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon to notified whenever we upload a new video.
Your one click means a lot to us and gives us encouragement. A single video has a lot of hard work hidden in it. So please subscribe to our channel if you like our video. It's a humble request.
Okay, let's continue our topic. Tooling and ecosystem. Java also had fantastic tools, integrated development environments, or IDEs, like Eclipse and NetBeans made coding in Java easier and more efficient. These tools offered features like code completion, debugging and version control integration, which were a big win for developers. Education adoption. Plus, universities started teaching Java because of its simplicity and practicality. It became the first language made new programmers learned, preparing them for the job market, where Java skills were in high demand. Enterprise adoption and corporate backing. Big companies loved this. Java quickly became the go-to for building enterprise software. Think about e-commerce sites and large business applications they all started using because it was reliable and scalable. Sun Microsystems, the company behind Java, heavily promoted it. This strong corporate backing gave companies confidence to invest in Java technologies. Sun's marketing and community support were crucial in establishing Java as a major player in the software industry. Now, let's talk about Python. Comparison with Python. Promoted as simple, readable, versatile, Python was created to be simple, readable, and easy to learn. It became super popular among hobbyists, educators, and researchers. Python's syntax is clean and its code looks almost like plain English, making it very approachable for beginners. Seen more as scripting language. In the 90s, Python was seen more as a scripting language suited for small tasks rather than large-scale applications. It was great for writing quick scripts, automating tasks, and doing rapid prototyping, but it wasn't yet seen as ideal for big enterprise projects. A biggest drawback for Python back then was corporate backing, so that it got less marketing compared to Java, which leads to less popularity. But now Python is owned by the Python Software Foundation.
Guys, if you know who owns Java at present, please comment below.
Fast forward to today, Python is everywhere. From web development to data science and machine learning. Its simplicity and powerful libraries like NumPy, Pandas, and TensorFlow have made it a favorite among developers and data scientists. The rise of data-centric programming and the need for rapid development and prototyping have propelled Python to forefront.
So, in the nutshell, Java's early popularity came from its platform independence, enterprise focus, and strong support from big companies and educational institutions. Python, with its simplicity and versatility, rose to fame a bit later as the industry's need evolved and the demand for rapid development and data analysis grew. That's it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Happy coding. See you in the next video.